My dear friends in Christ Jesus, today I like to share with you the similarities as well as the differences between the codes of canon law and the civil law, especially the civil law in India. The most significant fact to remember about canon law is that it is not similar to common law system, which is the basis for the legal system in India. Rather, canon law was originally developed in imitation of Roman law. Both Roman law and common law have their roots in natural law, but because they originated in different cultures, they have different manners of composition, interpretation, and application. In every legal system, the following two questions are important. Who has the final authority to determine? And what a given law means. In a common law country like India, the judiciary has the last word on the interpretation to be accorded a specific legal provision. But in a Roman law system, which is followed in most of the European countries, the legislator himself generally has the power of authentically interpreting legal text. Neither the judicial supremacy approach nor the legislative supremacy approach is right or wrong. My dear friends, both the systems, common law system and Roman law system, have long and worthy records in upholding the rule of law. But they operate in very different ways. The lawyers, well trained in one legal system, are at serious risk of mishandling the provisions of the other legal system unless they understand and accept the differences between these two legal systems. For example, the drivers who are used to drive on the right side of the road are highly accident prone when they go to a country that drives on the left. It says nothing about their basic skills behind the wheel, but it says much for the problems encountered when trying to cope with a foreign way of doing things. My dear friends, there are also some similarities between canon law and civil law in India. For example, both the systems of laws hold to the principle that one is presumed innocent until guilt is proven. For this reason, both jurisdictions emphasize due process. Similarly, both the courts of canon law and civil law in India give basic rights to the people. Among those rights given to Christ's faithful are the right to good reputation and privacy, the right to due process and to be judged according to law applied with equity. Thanks for watching. May God bless you all.